Okay, so the same 7 employees are given the written assessment a second time at the end of the first year to measure its reliability. State, this is the results, and then it says state the name of this type of test for reliability. Okay, when you give, guys, this is in my lesson for, it's called reliability and validity. When you give the same test to the same people twice, it is called test, it's called test, retest, reliability. Test, retest, reliability. Okay, that's just 1 mark. 2. For the data in this table, select test the null hypothesis H0, or H0 is that rho, which is the correlation coefficient, is the null hypothesis is always that rho is equal to 0. This is in a linear regression t-test, and the H1 is that rho is greater than 0. 5% significance level, assume all requirements have been met, run this test. So this is a nice easy 4 marks, guys, if you know what buttons to press on your calculator. It is the linear regression t-test, and we just need to sub in these numbers, and away we go. So here is my calculator. We're going to go to spreadsheets, and we'll put in this. So I'll actually say first and second. Okay, first mark, we have 93, 85, 82, 77, 74, 66, and 65. And then going backwards, we have 65, 71, 79, 73, 85, 92, and 90. Okay, then we go menu, statistics, stat tests. We need our linear regression t-test, this guy here. Our X list will be our first, the first test, or the first mark. Our Y list will be the second. This is all fine. Now this bit here, I need to change that our alternative hypothesis is that it's bigger, rho is bigger than 0. So I need that one, press OK, and I get a p-value of 0.002094, p-value 0.002094. Now this is as 0.002094 is less than 0.05. We so it says, sorry, it says test the null hypothesis. So because this is less than 0.05, we can reject the null hypothesis. There is enough evidence to reject H0. Rho is greater than 0. Rho is greater than 0. Okay, which means there is correlation between the first test and the second test. And then part 3, I'll just do that up here. Hence, comment on the reliability of the written test. The test is reliable. The test is reliable. It's only worth 1 mark, so that's all I need to say. So the test is reliable because rho is greater than 0. Or the test suggests that rho is greater than 0, which means there is correlation between the first test and the second test. So in other words, the same people are doing well in the test both times. If you had to totally random people doing, if the guy who did really well the first time did really badly the second time, it would not be a very reliable test. Okay, that is part D.